This is believed to be the largest wet market in Malaysia. And welcome guys to my another vlog. Getting to Chow Kit Market is pretty easy. All you need to do is get on the monorail line and remember to stop at the Chow Kit monorail station. Chow Kit has been a reliable place to purchase fruits, spices, meat, fresh vegetable, clothes, and so on. You will be amazed by the variety of fresh ingredients sold here. If you are here a fan of photographic immersion of people and culture, the Chow Kit Market is a great place to start. While you are here, remember to try the street food here, all sold at low price. Remember to not overeat. The place may not be somewhere visitor may want to visit because it is in fact a wet market, but this is the only place where you can try out local food at very low price. The market here begins as early as 6 a.m. and you can expect the experience lively and culture-rich scene here.
Mari singgah. Mari pilih, mari singgah, mari pilih. Ini dah hari pilih.
Aduh. Ini apa ini? Kaki.
Kaki tunjang biasa di Padang itu.
Ya, bapaknya. They have everything.
Kilo?
No. I'm just taking. Yeah. Udang galah bukan?
Ya.
Udang galah. hidup lagi.
Jakarta nih, Jakarta asli. Ini Jakarta. Ini sini bukan? Hah? Ini itu sama.
Kita dari Papua.
Barat.
Kopai. Aku mau rujak.
Rasa Pak.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.